This is our simple Calavera skull tutorial. Let's begin with the eyes. You're going to make 2 large circles towards the middle of your page. And next, your nose is going to be kind of like an upside down heart shape. Now we're going to draw a line all the way around the top of the skull. So bring a line in from under the eyes, all the way around big, and then drop it back underneath the other eye. For the teeth, just scoop some curvy lines connecting each of those. For our Calavera design, I'm going to add some flower petal shapes around the sockets of the eyes, but you can choose to do what you'd like. Feel free to add any types of patterns, repeating lines and shapes, and keep in mind we want this to be symmetrical. We want the left side to kind of match the right side.